Hi there, my name is Lars and I quickly want to show you how to copy your rate profiles with betaflight from one quad to another. Let's jump right into it. First, I have to hook up the quad I want to copy from. In this case, it's my Pavo Pico. And let me quickly show you what I did. I have several named rate profiles and I want to copy only the rate profiles of this quad and transfer it to my trusty Siren F3. So let's get started with the command line. First thing we have to do, we have to select the rate profile. We can do this by typing the rate P and then hit the tab key and now select 0 for the first rate profile. It's not 1, it's 0, it's 0 based counted. And now you can see we have selected the rate profile 0. The second thing we have to do is we have to dump the rates into the terminal window. We do this by typing dump rates into the command line, and as an answer to this command we will get a dump of only the rate profile 0 data. So by using the up arrow we can quickly jump through the history of commands we have typed in. If you are familiar with command lines, you know this is quite a standard. It's nice, it's integrated into betaflight CLI. So we switch to rate profile 1 and then hit twice the up arrow to dump the rates once again into the terminal. Hit twice the up arrow, change to rate profile 2. That means actually it's the rate 3. Dump this also into the terminal, and now we have to simply copy to clipboard. This means by hitting this button we copy everything from the terminal into the clipboard. And now let's disconnect the Pavo Pico and connect the Siren to the USB. And let me also show you quickly, I've actually staged this. Those profiles are set to a kind of a default reset, and here is nothing configured. So switch over to the command line, activate the command line box and use paste. Let me do it. You can't see the context menu. By Control V. Now don't avoid to hit the up or down arrow, because this will overwrite the inputs. We have just pasted everything we copied, and let's confirm this by hitting return. Now everything gets kind of batch scripted and set. Now the only thing we don't have to forget is we should enter the command save. The quad will reboot, reconnect, and with the save command the profiles from my Pavo Pico has been transferred to the Siren. Well, that's it. I hope you found this useful. This was a quick tutorial. Yeah. And don't be shy to get in touch with the command line. It's for such kind of works pretty useful. That's it. Bye.